I've got some bullish news for you XRP holders out there. Today we're going to be talking about XRP and why there's potential rumblings of a XRP stockpile going on. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Maxi. I've got another video for you guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so first things first, we are looking at this article here where it says XRP news today, $30 XRP after discussions between Ripple CEO and Trump. Ripple is gaining serious momentum for the upcoming cycle, fueled by a recent meeting between CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Donald Trump. Their discussion about a potential national XRP reserve has ignited speculation. Could this be the catalyst to propel XRP to $30? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I do want to say first things first here. We saw an executive order come out for a crypto digital asset stockpile. Not a Bitcoin strategic reserve stockpile, but a digital crypto asset stockpile. And I do see a world here where we do see not only Bitcoin being added to a stockpile, but potentially other coins, maybe Ethereum, maybe XRP, maybe Solana. But if XRP does get added to a national, basically a strategic reserve, if XRP gets added to a strategic reserve, the only thing that can happen is for the price to go up. It's as simple as that, because they are going to be buying so much. Now, do I think that that is a good idea? Well, for the price of XRP, if I'm a XRP bull, yes, I think that's a great idea. Do I think that it's better than a Bitcoin reserve? No, I don't. But hey, I'm all for the idea of a crypto strategic reserve where nations start buying hand over fist other coins outside of Bitcoin. And even if they do just buy Bitcoin by themselves, because this has not been confirmed that they are going to create a XRP stockpile, but just in case, even if just Bitcoin is what they want to stockpile, it will propel XRP to the upside. It will propel the entire cryptocurrency space, guys. So let's take a look at XRP here. Right now, we are trading above key support pretty significantly. I made a video about how I think that XRP is one of the only outliers when it's coming to sitting on support. It's really performing well above a lot of other coins when it comes to key support levels. And I do want to show you guys, if you've watched my previous XRP videos, we're going to look at the weekly time frame here. If we were to see a breakout out of this massive W pattern here, it would set us up for a price target about $5.36, okay? Now, a $30 price target, I don't mean to laugh, but that is that's absurd, guys. You would have to not only see the market cap of XRP double, triple, 10x, 100x. You need to see literally trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars come into this coin to see $30. Now, I'd want to say that $30 is not impossible. It's not. But it is quite far-fetched, especially if there's not a token burn when it comes to supply. If the XRP supply decreases while the demand increases 100-fold, sure, $30 XRP, I believe it's possible. I do think regardless, we are getting prepared to see XRP make some big moves here, guys. The articles, the FOMO articles are heating up, and usually you should see a bigger move start to happen not that long after that. But just make sure, guys, you know, I am a trader and an investor. I am an XRP trader as of the moment right now. The only thing I'm truly an investor of is Bitcoin, and that's not financial advice. I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm buying Bitcoin for a long-term goal. I'm talking buying it every day, regardless of price, holding it through the bear market, buying more in the bear market, holding it through the bull market. Maybe I'll do some swing trading, but I will always have a stockpile of Bitcoin. Now, when it comes to XRP, I'm trading it. I want to buy low, sell high, because, guys, this is still a 4-year cycle. The market is maturing, but I do think that we will see high highs and low lows until this market truly, truly matures. And if you guys do want to take advantage of these big swings that are inevitably going to come, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below, guys. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign bonus, as well as there's a trading competition going on right now. If you sign up, you become a part of my team, and there's a $5.6 million prize pool, which is a pretty big deal. That's a lot of money to be giving away for a prize pool for a trading competition. And the higher the trading volume is, the more likely we'll be able to split that $5.6 million, guys. So check out down below, pin comment down below, or description box. So let's take a look at XRP here. Rank 3, down about 8% in the past 7 days, down about 0.69% in the past 24 hours. Really, it's weekend price action, guys. Shouldn't be expecting any crazy moves, but there is some important levels we need to be looking at when it comes to Bitcoin for weekly candle closure, which is going to be happening very, very soon here. But I will say, sitting at a $148 billion market cap, 2.29 billion 24-hour volume, pretty significant, especially as the market has been cooling off here, chopping around sideways. XRP, in my opinion, is going to make big moves, is going to be one of the first coins to make big moves out of nowhere, because that's just what it does. It makes big moves very, very quick, and usually a lot of that move gets eaten back up. But regardless, we are making moves to new highs. And it's been the SEC tried to make an example out of XRP, and they've shown that the SEC has failed, and XRP is here to stay, guys. I do want to say, over on Crypto Twitter, follow me at 333blackc, I say, are you bullish on XRP? Because I have been pretty wishy-washy when it's come to XRP. I traded it back in 2017, made good money on it, got extremely low dollar cost average into it, and I sold out of it. I sold out of it at the end of 2017. I watched it perform. I did some swing trading in 2021, 2022, but I never held it. I never held it for longer than 6 months. And I'm starting to realize now, with how this market is maturing, that this could potentially be a good investment. Now, I'm not saying that's financial advice. This is not financial advice, guys. I am mainly a trader, but I am starting to warm up to the idea of holding some of these currencies longer term. Now, not a significant percentage of my portfolio, but I am getting more and more warmed up to the idea of holding more for an extended period of time. I do want to say, looking at Bitcoin dominance, guys, we're starting to finally break down a little bit. Now, we're not out of the woods. I really want to see us come down and break below the 59.94% price level. When we're above this blue line, I'm bullish and long Bitcoin dominance, okay? Testing it and breaking below this blue line, I am long altcoins. I expect altcoins to outperform Bitcoin, guys. But as of right now, I am going to say I think that we continue to coil up unless we come down and test down here around 60.16%. I think there's a high chance that we do come down here, especially look at this red dot here. Like to see that. Was not expecting a trigger wave like that. Usually you see it play out like that. What I was really looking at was something more along the lines of this here for a longer term move to the upside. But guys, like I said, this is the area to be looking for. Below the breakdown of the rising wedge and above the break, basically above the support level of 59.94%. Basically the middle of the W pattern, right? Breaking below that, we're going to be coming down, and I think altcoins are going to be flying. But as of right now, we need to be paying attention to these levels here, guys. Looking at Bitcoin, we are trading on extremely, extremely crucial support, my friends. We have 18 hours and 20 minutes left before this weekly candle closure. If we close below this yellow line here at about $96,000, really like $96,500, I am going to be bearish on Bitcoin in the medium short term for the next couple weeks. But I do expect to see some green relief here into the end of February. I do expect that. I expect a bullish February candle closure, guys. I do. The question is, will it be too little, too late? Now, if we see a huge green candlestick to the moon, obviously things will change. But if we stay above this bullish trend line on a weekly candle closing basis, I'm getting ready for us to come and test the high here at about $110,000, because there is billions of dollars of liquidity sitting up here. And you may ask, Black Sea, what is like your line in the sand here? We can wick below. Like, we can wick below all the way to about 93,600. But really, guys, do not want to be seeing candle closures below this bullish trend line. Like, it would be okay, but the following week, if we get a full clean closure below it, I'd be saying look out below for the next coming weeks, maybe into the end of Q1. So maybe we should be looking at towards like April if we see that. But as of right now, guys, risk is to the upside. Some of these alts are a little scary. XRP is holding up relatively well here. I'm impressed by the strength of XRP right now. Like, we have a long way before I get worried on XRP. Like, really, the line is like $2.20, 25 cents. Right now, we're trading at $2.56. So I really don't want to see a drawdown, let's say, to about this level here. Like a 12% drawdown from here, I would say, all right, as long as we're above that, we're fine, but look out below if we break below it. Interesting time for XRP, interesting time for the entire cryptocurrency space, because I think that this market is maturing. It is maturing. And we're seeing not a scenario like we've seen in past cycles where, all right, when Bitcoin makes a move to the upside, everything's going to come along with it. Or Ethereum's moving, all the altcoins are going to come along with it. Now we're seeing scenarios where Bitcoin's chopping sideways, XRP just went up 20%, and Ethereum is up 1%. Things are changing. This market is maturing a little bit more with all these new institutional money coming to this battleground, guys. That's all I wanted to do for this video. I just want to give you guys my opinion on XRP and why I think there's potentially some very bullish catalysts coming very, very soon. There's lots of bullish news in the overall world for XRP. XRP is lobbying correctly, getting in the right circles with Japanese banks and with politicians in the U.S. Probably going to be keeping a close eye on XRP for this, guys, for a while now. I'm going to be keeping a closer eye on this because it's becoming less of a trade for me and more of potentially a longer-term investment. We'll have to see how it plays out. If you like this type of content, guys, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Follow me, 333 Black Sea on Instagram and Twitter. And check out Blowfin in the description box for a pinned comment down below. $5,000 sign bonus, as well as $5.6 million trading competition. Pretty cool. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.